Welcome to Course 4, Foundation, Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, course, by SPAO Academy. Topic 3, Sourcing Products and Services, Section 3, Product Design Influence, Lesson 2, Early Supplier Involvement, ESI. Early Supplier Involvement, ESI, in traditional procurement, suppliers are brought into the process only after a product is fully designed and specified. This often leads to change orders, production delays, and cost overruns. Early Supplier Involvement, ESI, is a strategic approach that flips this model. It involves integrating key suppliers into the product development cycle from the very beginning, the concept and design phase. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to define Early Supplier Involvement, ESI. Explain the strategic benefits of involving suppliers early in the design process. Identify the potential risks and challenges of ESI. Recognize the types of products or situations where ESI is most valuable. 1. What is Early Supplier Involvement, ESI? Definition: a form of vertical cooperation where a manufacturer involves suppliers at the initial stage of product development or project planning. Instead of designing a part and sending out a request for quote, RFQ, the buyer shares rough concepts and collaborates with suppliers to design the components. Core principle: leveraging the supplier's expertise in materials, manufacturing processes, and technology to improve the final product. 2. The strategic benefits of ESI. The why? Reduced costs. Suppliers can suggest design modifications that make parts easier and cheaper to manufacture. Design for manufacturability, DFM. This avoids costly redesigns later. Improved quality. Suppliers are experts in their components. Their input ensures that the design aligns with proven manufacturing processes, reducing defects. Faster time to market. By parallel working, concurrent engineering, development cycles are shortened. Problems are solved before tooling begins, not after. Enhanced innovation. Suppliers may have access to new materials or technologies that the buying company is unaware of. They can act as an extension of the company's R&D department. Stronger buyer-supplier relationships. Early collaboration fosters trust and transforms the relationship from transactional to partnership-based. 3. The risks and challenges, potential drawbacks, loss of control. The buying firm must be willing to share sensitive information and relinquish some design control. Supplier dependency. It can be difficult to switch suppliers once they are deeply embedded in your product design and intellectual property. Confidentiality risks. Sharing early concepts increases the risk of intellectual property leaks, especially if the supplier also works with competitors. Supplier selection complexity. Choosing the wrong partner for ESI can be disastrous. It requires a rigorous selection process based on capability and trust, not just price. 4. When to use ESI, strategic application. ESI is not necessary for every purchase. It is most beneficial when the product involves complex technology or manufacturing. The project has a tight timeline where speed is critical. The supplier has a unique capability or proprietary process. The component is strategically important to the final product's performance. Summary: Early supplier involvement represents a shift from a tactical purchasing mindset to a strategic supply chain management mindset. By treating suppliers as partners in innovation, companies can unlock significant value in terms of cost, quality, and speed. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your like means the world to us and helps this channel grow so we can continue bringing you great content. Thanks again, and see you on the next video.